Hi everyone, it's Hailey here from Positive Living Skills, bringing you your Tuesday tip. And today's Tuesday tip is all about motivation and what motivates you. So the reason I'm talking about this today is because I find that if I can figure out what motivates me, it really puts me in a positive mindset and allows me to focus on what is good in my life, and I feel I can get more done with more energy. So for me, to feel motivated, I need to think about those things I'm passionate about. And the things I'm passionate about are my work, funnily enough. So Positive Living Skills. This morning I just had a great meeting with my team and I felt so pumped afterwards because I'm around like-minded people. We all work really well together and we're able to talk about positive things and how it can affect us and ways to deal with situations that might not be so positive. And that really got me pumped and excited for the day, which was awesome. So that's my first motivation. Another motivation for me is exercise. I find even in these cold winter days, it can be really hard to get motivated to exercise, but once I'm doing it, I feel really pumped and motivated, and it puts all of these endorphins into my body and allows me to think positively and makes me want to accomplish more. So I love to exercise, even if it's just 10 minutes out of your day. If you can go for a run, go for a walk. If you're a mum or a dad at home with kids, do some squats. It just gets the blood pumping and it motivates you. Well, I find it does for me. And then I think a really big one for me to be motivated is my family. So my kids mean the world to me, and that really motivates me. If I can show my children what it is to be positive and have a positive mindset and take the best out of bad situations and live in the present moment, then I feel that will motivate me more than anything, knowing that my children are growing with the ability to have a positive mindset and live a really happy life. It all comes down to passion, what you're passionate about. So have a think. If you're having a hard day, if you're finding some challenges, find what motivates you. Good luck. See you later.